In this video, I will show you how to work a 4-strand braid around a core. This creates a strong braid that can be used for bag straps and decorative trims. We've used this technique to create the strap for our Million Reasons bag. Today, I will be using Wool and the Gang's raffia in Desert Palm to create this strap. Okay, let's get started. First off, you need to create the core. I've made this core from chain stitch using 3 strands of yarn. I've made mine 20 centimeters for this video. To make your braid, you need to cut 2 long strands of yarn. These need to be approximately 5.5 times the length of your core, so I've cut mine at 110 centimeters. To begin the braid, I'm going to secure my pieces. If you're working directly onto a bag, you will attach yours to the bag, but I'm just using a needle for this video. I'm going to secure my strands of yarn to my needle using a cow hitch knot. Okay, then I need to separate my strands so that I have 2 strands on each side of the core. In this video, we're going to call these strands A, B, C, and D. So to begin making your braid, you need to take strand A behind the chain and up between C and D. And then it goes over the chain and sits between the chain and B. Next, we're going to take strand D and we're going to pass that underneath the chain and between A and B, and then back over the chain and between the chain and C. Next, we're going to take B and we're going to go under the chain, between C and D, back over and between A and the chain. So strand A and B are now in their original positions. This next one, we're going to take C and we're going to go under the chain, over the chain, and back to the original position. So those are the 4 movements that make the braid. I'm going to continue repeating these until my chain is covered. Okay, so I'm going to take A underneath between C and D and then back over to the left between B and the chain, and then D underneath between A and B and back over between C and the chain, and then B underneath between and over, and the same with C. There we go. We've now done 2 repeats. Now that the chain is covered, I'm going to secure all of the ends together with a knot. I'm just going to tie these behind the ends coming out of the core. And there you go, that's your finished braid. Thanks for watching.